was very passionate about the cosmetic side and the implants. I wanted to create an environment where patients would be comfortable, where they know that it's a place that they can come and everyone is going to be focusing on them. And I wanted the patients to feel the passion that I have for my dentistry. I can use the knowledge and the skills that I have to provide the service that I've always wanted to provide the patients. I think I have designed my practice hoping that it would make patients be comfortable and be at peace when they're in the office. It's been designed with a collection of things that I have come to love. Not only do we want our patients to be comfortable in our practice, our team does their best to make the patient be relaxed. They offer them blankets, headphones, socks, whatever it may be, so that we can put the patient at ease. My mission is to provide the best quality of dentistry that a patient can get through the education that myself and the team go through, and then to not cut corners and always use the best quality, whether it be laboratory or materials, so that the patient benefits in the end with the best dentistry they can get. Whether it's through smile designs or implants to make patients chew better, we have changed so many people's lives that it gives me great happiness that I am in a field where I have been able to do that, and hope to do that with the best care possible in the future.